Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be making this simple kimono jacket that I'm putting on right here. If that sounds like something you're interested in, keep on watching. You can style this kimono on your trouser, you can style it on your gown, and it is very simple to make. It is beginner friendly, so let's get right into the video. Our hearts beat to the city. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Maybell and you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make a simple kimono jacket which is beginner friendly. If that sounds like something you're interested in, keep on watching and let's get right into the video. Right here, I have Ankara fabric with me, which is 2.5 inches, that's 2.5 yards. If you have 2 yards, it's fine, it's going to be okay for this kimono jacket, but mine is 2.5 yards. So you go ahead and open your fabric. So once you open it, you're going to fold it equally. You know how you fold clothes, just look at the screen and see what I'm doing. So you fold it this way, you see my hand going, then you turn it. You're not going to fold it together anymore, like just what I'm showing you right now. You're not going to fold it that way anymore. So just like taking the end together, no, you're not doing that anymore. You're not doing this anymore. Then you just take it, shake it so that everything will be aligned, then you just fold it like this. So make sure that you have the close part at the up. So that is what you're going to do. Just look at the screen, you understand what I'm saying. So make sure the all edges are well aligned together so that the fabric will be equal. Then you lay it down, you use your hand to arrange everything. So once everything is arranged, you go ahead and put it very well, because it is very necessary to lay it properly. If not, if it's rumpled or some part is folding, after cutting, it will not come out really nice, so which you don't want that. So that is why I'm using my hand to like stretch everything out, so that I will know that this thing is very equal. Then now you're going to get your measurement for this kimono jacket. Is placing your tape at the center back of your neck, then you take it down to one of your hand, that's like your sleeve. So wherever you want it to get to, it can be 18, 20, 22. So just know that you're going to be placing your tape at the middle part of your shoulder, then down to one side of your neck. So which is what I did. Then I'm just cross checking what I have there. Then after that, you go ahead and mark your neckline. I'll be using 3 for this neckline, then 1.5 for the neck depth, which is for the back neckline. So I'll go ahead and mark and chalk that, then 1.5 for the neck width. So that is what I'm going to be doing for the neck. We're going to be cutting the front and the back together, then after that we'll open it to cut the front part. So that is what I'm just doing right here. To make this jacket is very simple. As a beginner, you can make this in less. So this is me. I'm taking my armhole line, so I'm using 11 from my armhole line, because this is a kimono jacket. You want it to be free, you don't want it firm around your armhole, so that's why I'm making use of it. Then after that, you go ahead and divide your bust measurement by 4. Whatever you have, you mark it on this particular line that you see me mark right now. Then you go ahead and put your notes. How wide you want your kimono to be depend on the allowance you're going to be putting. I want mine very wide, so I put 5 inches allowance, then 1 inch for sewing, so which makes a total of 6 inches of ease that I put. So if you want it very big, you go ahead and put plenty allowance, but if you want it very small, you go ahead and reduce the allowance that you're going to put. So that is what I'm just explaining here. So like I said, I'll be using 5 inches ease, then that you're going to mark it, then 1 inch sewing allowance. Then after that, whatever you have, your bust measurement divided by 4, then your ease, you take it down to the end of the fabric. So that is what you're going to be doing.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.
Another thing you can do again is making it like an A shape at the down part. You can make it straight, you can make it A shape at the down part, but right now this one I'm making is just the straight one. We're not giving it any shape at the down part, so it's just straight. You can make it A line if that's what you want, but this is what we are working with. Then after joining the lines together to this bust line, then you go ahead and just make your armhole curve a little. Just look at the way my hand is going, just make your curve, then that is it for that. Then we go ahead and cut it out. So just look at my hand right now and I'm going to curve it here. That's it. Once you just curve it into the line like that, then you're good to go. The next thing is for you to cut it.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Now, after cutting the back neckline, you go ahead and split this fabric. You open it, then you make sure that the sleeve is facing the sleeve, right side facing each other. Then you make sure you align it very well. Note why it's looking like this is because this kimono jacket is not going to be having any joining at the shoulder area, so that is why it's like this. Once you go ahead and join the sleeve or to sleeve, you fold it this way. Arrange one part of the fabric where you know you're going to be using for your front. So once you arrange it very well, then you check it out. Just look at the screen and see what I'm doing. It is very simple because this is a beginner friendly tutorial. As a beginner, you can make this in less than 30 minutes, highest 1 hour, and this is not going to take up to 1 hour to make. So it is very simple. Make sure you arrange it very well. All the O parts, all the O ending is well aligned so that when you cut it, when you cut your front neckline, it's not going to be affecting the remaining fabric. So take your time to arrange it properly. Then you go ahead and chalk it out. So once you chalk it out, mine, I just chalked out 2 inches, so you can use your free hand, you can chalk it out. I later went ahead to measure what I am taking out, which is actually 2 inches. Then you cut it from the up to the down or from down to the up part. So you just chuck it around 2 inches, then you cut it out. Then after that, you just take your scissors, then you trim it out. So that is what you're basically going to be seeing here. And note guys, it's not all kimono that you can check out 2 inches. You can decide to just cut the neckline, then after the neckline you just want to open the remaining part. So if that is what you want, or maybe that's, but for this particular kimono jacket I'm making, I decided to remove this 2 inches away from the front neckline. So that is it. There are so many ways you can use in cutting your kimono neckline, and it's going to or give you the same result. So but this is how I like to do my own, because I want it to be a bit open at the front side, so that's be giving me that opening effect vibe at the front, because I'm not going to be tying this. I just want to wear it as a jacket. So that is what I basically did here. Then after cutting the neckline, you go ahead and align the whole side together. That's exactly what I'm doing in the video right now. So you align everywhere together. Then after aligning it, make sure you align it very well. As you can see, it's already looking like a jacket already. Yeah, it's coming together, and this came out so lovely. Yes, I love it. I'm going to insert the pictures of where I'm wearing the kimono jacket. It came out so lovely, and I love the outcome. I love the result this gave me. So it was giving. Yeah, it's simple and very nice. So after aligning it, as you can see, it's already giving the jacket vibe. Yeah, it's giving. So after arranging it like this, make sure you arrange all the outside very well. You can go ahead and use pin, but I didn't use pin for mine. Just arrange it very well. So, but if you're using pin, it's better to use pin so that you not make any mistakes. So just go ahead and arrange it properly. Then you go ahead and use your 1 inch allowance to like join it down. So after that, I'm going to bring it and show you guys. So this is it after joining the sides. This is what it's looking like. I've gone ahead to join the side, and I also ironed it out. So this is what it's looking like right now. So we are almost through with this clothes. That's why I said earlier that it's not going to take time to make at all. Yeah, it's not going to take time. It is very simple. Like in 30 minutes, 30 minutes is even too much, say, for pro. But as a beginner, 30 minutes, you're done with this kimono jacket, and you have another dress to wear for, that evening outing and stuff like that. Yeah. So after that, I've gone ahead to iron out my rope that I'll be using turning the neck. So just like the collar we are going to be using. So, and this is about 1.5 inches wide, and it is very long. How you gonna measure this neckline is measure round the kimono neckline, measure it round. So once you measure it round, you know how long your rope is going to be. So just go ahead and take your tape, measure round the neck of the kimono jacket. Then once you get your length, you use it and cut out your rope. The rope might be having joining, because which mine did have joining, because this was very very long. So after that, you go ahead and iron it. You can iron paper stay or stay to this or stay to this, but I didn't iron anything to mine. I just iron it to just press it in place. Then I'll go ahead and join it round the neckline. Yeah, that's like just what I'm showing you. You face it to the front part, you join it. Then after that, I'll go ahead and fold the hand inside. Then I'll also fold the down area to everything. Then after that, we'll see what it looks like. So this is it, guy. We are done with this jacket. It came out so nice and so lovely. As you can see, everything is well aligned. The sleeve, the folding, the front part is looking so nice. It's looking so pangent. So guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Is this a video, is this a jacket you're going to be trying out? Because it's very simple and it came out so nice. So thanks so much. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'm going to see you all in my next video. Thank you. I don't know why I'm biting myself in this video. I don't know why I'm just slip of tongue is just coming in. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.